Hey guys, what's going on? There is a new replacement for YouTube to browse on the Nintendo Wii, kind of like just how it used to be way back in like the late 2000s. It's called RiiviveTube. I'll put a link to this in the description. So, as it says here, requirements, you of course need a computer, you need a modded Wii. If you have not soft modded your Wii yet, installed the homebrew channel, stuff like that, I have a tutorial that you can click in the description. It should be a card as well. Go ahead and do that. It's pretty easy, especially now. And then you're going to have to download your WAD that corresponds to where you are. So for me, I'm in the United States. If you're in Europe or Japan, you download those. And then you're going to need to install with a WAD manager. Again, if you don't have a WAD manager, you can follow my tutorial how to soft mod your Wii. It goes through the WAD manager as well. So once you download it, I'm in USA, so I'm going to download that one. And you're going to get this, a WAD file. Go ahead and copy that and paste that into your SD card or USB device. You should have a folder called WAD. Go ahead and paste that in there, just like this. You don't need to rename it or anything. So there you go. And then you're going to go ahead and eject your SD card. And then we'll go over to the Wii. So now that we're here over on the Wii, go ahead and plug in your SD card or your USB device and start up the homebrew channel. Now go ahead and open up any sort of WAD manager. It doesn't matter which one. Multi-mod manager is a great tool. So go down to where your WADs are. It'll usually look for the WAD folder. Go ahead and select the YouTube Revive US or whatever country .wad, mark it for installation. Go ahead and install it and let it do its thing. Make sure to not turn off your Wii, don't touch your controller, just let it do its thing to prevent any sort of breaking. Once it's done, you can go ahead and exit out of your WAD manager. And go to the Wii System menu. And now you should have a new YouTube channel, if you didn't before. Go ahead and start this up. Now from here on out, I'm just going to be basically browsing, showing you all it can do. And it's basically, a YouTube for the Wii. It has closed captions. The quality's not great because, you're working with 2006, technology with the Wii. But yeah, so hopefully this helps. Let me know if, you guys get stuck. And, yeah, thanks.